Hey guys, today I'm going to be opening a package that I just bought from Amazon, and it includes a bunch of GoPro stuff that I can put on my Activon CX. And then I'll be showing you more about this later. It's basically a really cheap version of a GoPro. And all this was about $12, and it said it was going to be like a lot of stuff. So hopefully it is. It didn't really look like it in the packaging. Okay, never mind. It looks like it's all in here. Okay, this looks like the head strap that you hook it on here and then stick it on your head and go do adventures. Okay, here's what the headpiece will look like. Camera right there. Cute. Stick. Super handy. This is kind of the reason that I bought this stuff, but then I noticed there's a whole package deal to get a bunch of stuff, and it was way better. Like this would have been $10 by itself, and then all of this was like $12. Okay, this is another hand thing that you can hold, or it just floats in the water, which is super helpful because I've been bringing my Activon in the ocean, and I'm kind of scared that I'm going to drop it. Okay, and then a bag for all of it, and it has a bunch of stuff inside. A mount for your car. So the car mount only works on windows and mirrors. It doesn't work like on the top of the car, so this looks kind of weird. I'm giving this a thumbs down. Different things that you help hook it onto stuff. I don't know the right words for it. More things to help hook onto stuff. This looks like the chest piece. Clip it on. Here's what the chest piece looks like. It's pretty comfortable. Feels like a seat belt. I feel like it's really safe on there. It could be tighter if I needed it. As soon as I can figure out how to use all this stuff and how to put the right gadgets on, I think it's gonna be super fun to use in the ocean. So here's all the stuff that was $12. I really wanted to buy a GoPro, and I was willing to spend all the money on the best one. But then I was like, there's probably other options out there that are cheaper, and I just have no idea about them. And then someone told me about the Activon, and I was like, oh my gosh, well, I'm gonna Google it. And I was pretty impressed that it was awesome. People commented on it and gave it lots of stars, said it was just as good as the GoPro. You can buy it at Walmart or any sports store, and like under $60. I got mine at Academy. I had to buy the memory card separate, and I just bought the biggest one because I wanted to have all the room. So this is not touchscreen, but I'm sure there's better ones that are. And it can connect to Wi-Fi through an app. So it takes videos and pictures, and it comes with this case so you can go underwater. And I've been using it at the beach, and it works perfect. I would say the sound kind of sounds not great, like your iPhone would sound better. And this is like, so this, if your iPhone's a 10 and this is like a 6. Let me show you how to get on the Wi-Fi and use the app through, okay? The first thing you do is turn on your Activon, and then you press down the left button, because there's only 2 buttons, and you go to Wi-Fi settings, and then you hit Wi-Fi app. And then it's going to say waiting for connection. So then you go to your phone and you go to your Wi-Fi and you select the CX, bunch of numbers afterwards. And then it says app connected. So then you go to the app. It's called Activon. It has like a little colorful rainbow. And you can see from it. So there's my computer, there's a really nifty tripod I had to set up. This is my room at my brother's house. Super cute. So from here, you can see all the pictures that I've taken and videos. Like, here's one of me in the ocean.
Overall, I loved everything that came with the bundle except for the car mount because it only stuck to windows and mirrors, and I really wanted it to stick on my dashboard. So I would give everything a 4 out of 5 stars just because of the car mount. And as for the Active line, I love it, and I'm super glad I bought it over the GoPro because I saved hundreds of dollars, and this little guy has done just everything I've ever wanted it to do. Pictures and videos, and it sticks to accessories that are made for GoPros. So I love it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye!